Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am honored to introduce to you the 3 best 3D printers for beginners. Through a long period of research and analysis, I have considered factors such as product quality, features, and price, and have compiled this list of the best 3D printers for beginners in 2023, under $500, for you as a good reference for your purchase. Since the prices and details of products may change, I suggest that you click on the links in the descriptions below the video to get the latest information about the products before you buy them. If you're new to 3D printing and looking for an affordable option to get started, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 3 best 3D printers for beginners in 2023 that are priced under $500. We'll explore the advantages and features of each product, so let's dive in. 1. Creality Ender 3 V2. The Creality Ender 3 V2 is an excellent choice for beginners due to its affordability and ease of use. It has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and features a heated bed, which makes it possible to print with a wide range of materials. The printer includes a user-friendly touchscreen interface, and it's straightforward to assemble, taking only 30 minutes to set up. One of the standout features of the Ender 3 V2 is its silent motherboard, which significantly reduces the noise level during printing. It also has a filament runout sensor that detects when the filament is running low and pauses the print, which is a handy feature that can save you from wasting material. 2. Monoprice Select Mini V2. The Monoprice Select Mini V2 is another great option for beginners. It has a compact design, making it ideal for those with limited space. The printer has a build volume of 120 x 120 by 120 mm and features a heated bed, which is rare in a printer of this size. The Select Mini V2 is easy to use, with a simple LCD interface that allows you to control the printer's settings. It's also relatively quiet during printing, which is a bonus if you plan on using it in a shared space. 3. FlashForge Finder. The FlashForge Finder is a user-friendly 3D printer that's perfect for beginners. It has a build volume of 140 by 140 by 140 mm and features a heated bed. It also has a built-in camera that allows you to monitor your prints remotely, which is a unique feature that's not often found in printers in this price range. The Finder is incredibly easy to use, with a simple touchscreen interface that makes it easy to navigate through the printer's settings. It also has a built-in filament holder that makes it easy to change filaments quickly. The Creality Ender 3 V2, Monoprice Select Mini V2, and FlashForge Finder are all excellent options for beginners looking to get started with 3D printing. Each printer has its unique advantages and features that make them stand out from the rest. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your needs and preferences, so consider your budget, available space, and desired features before making your final decision. Well folks, that's it for now on the best 3D printers for beginners in 2023, under $500. If you liked this video, please don't hesitate to click the like button, we really appreciate it. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and we'll do our best to bring you the best and newest products on the market. Our goal is to make sure you get the best product for the least amount of money. If you're looking for a great 3D printer for beginners, be sure to check out the links in the video description for the latest prices and more information on the products. We hope you have a great day and look forward to seeing you in our next video.